here's how to see past dates on Google Maps Street View. So if you want to see a location or a place, how it looked like many years ago in the Street View, you can do that. First, you want to navigate to google.com/maps, and then you want to search for the location that you want to see in the Street View. So for example, we're going to see this one. And then we will need to enable the Street View for the spot that we want to see. So this one. And then let's wait for it to load in. Now under the place name on the top here, you should see the date when this picture or image was taken, which is July 2022. And there should be an option that provides more details to see the previous pictures. So for example, let's look for another place that allows us to see the previous pictures. For example, this place in Indonesia. So you can see the picture was taken May 2024. You can also click on see more dates. Now you should see previous dates. So for example, August 2023, October 2022, up to May 2015. So you can click on this and it should bring the same place picture like 6 or 10 years ago. You can look around to see how it looked like, and then you can go to the most recent picture and take a look around to notice the changes. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.